just look at my screen. I have these 4 WhatsApp messages ready to send to my car leads. And if you notice, these aren't those typical bulk messages which start with "Dear Customer." Each message is personalized with the lead's name, so it actually feels like the dealership is talking to them personally. Now, the first message goes out to introduce the car and invite them for the test drive. But obviously, not everyone is going to book the test drive after seeing just one message, right? So instead of letting the lead go cold after a certain gap, they receive the second message. Still no response? That's okay. The third message follow-ups again, and we have the fourth message to give them the final path. So basically, we are not just spamming the lead with 4 WhatsApp messages at once. We are creating a proper conversation over time. And the best part is I don't have to remember anything. So okay, I messaged Rahul yesterday. Now I need to send him message 2. Priya needs to send message 3 today, and Ram the 4th one, I guess. Imagine doing this with 100 leads. I need a spreadsheet just to remember whom I am supposed to message next. Instead, we'll set up an entire sequence at once. Whenever a new lead comes in, they're going to receive this first WhatsApp message. Name is automatically added in the message, and then these 3 messages will be sent one after another with a particular time gap we decided. That's called WhatsApp drip campaign. You are basically staying connected with the lead and reminding them about the test drive without manually chasing every single person. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also create a drip campaign for your business, and that too for free today. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/Chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, which means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is going to get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. The discount coupon code is RITYT. Don't forget to check it out. But first, try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you like it for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Okay, so just log in and come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow if you haven't added till now. If you want a step-by-step guide, you're going to get that in the description box below on how to add your WhatsApp number. You can refer to that too. I have already added my WhatsApp number, so from the left hand of the side, I'm just going to go to this flow section of Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, I have already created this flow, and in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this flow, or you can say drip campaign for your business. Okay, so go on this flow section and then come on this flows and then click on this add flow button. Once you do this, you first of all have to name your flow. So I'm just going to name my flow as this only. So let me just enter this as my flow name. So in order to enter the name of the flow, just go on this edit button and name your flow. Okay, now we're good to go. Over here we have received this box, which is the trigger. So what we have to do is we have to select the trigger event as WhatsApp template delivered. This is going to trigger when a WhatsApp template is successfully delivered to a contact. So just simply select it. Over here, in order to send this WhatsApp template, you can use the broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn about the broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow, just comment broadcast. I'm just going to share a video where you can learn how to share this bulk WhatsApp messages to all the leads at once. And then once that bulk WhatsApp message, which is the first message, is delivered, then this drip campaign is going to start when WhatsApp template is delivered. For that, you first have to create the template also. Okay, if you want to learn learn more about this template section, the video is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. I have already created my template, so I'm just going to simply select that WhatsApp template over here. Now I want that once this WhatsApp template is delivered, I want after 1 day this message should be sent. Okay, so first we have to add a delay over here. So from this action notes, you have to go on this actions, and then you're going to see this delay. So drag and drop this node and connect it with this trigger. So over here you have to select the delay type, delay for, delay until, or delay until a specific weekday. So if you want to select the delay until a specific weekday, you can select it, select the weekday right over here, and then the time. If you want to delay this until a specific time, you can do that too right over here. Let's say someone has booked or already scheduled a test drive and it's, let's say, on 15th of August. So you can send the message on 14th, 13th and 12th of August. You can select the date and time right over here to send that message. I want to send this after a single day, so I'm just going to use delay for, and then I'm just going to select the unit as days and value as 1. So after 1 day the next message should be sent. Okay, so in order to send that message, we have to drag and drop right over here and select it as text button. This is connected right over here. I'm just going to enter my message. So let me just copy my message from my previous flow which I have already created, and as you can see I've successfully entered this message. In this message I've added some stars. Why? Because I want to bold the text where I've added the stars. Apart from that, you're going to see I've used this $name. So I want that with every message the name of the lead should also be sent. That's the reason I have used this $name to make name dynamic. You can also use $name to keep the name as dynamic, and it will change with every new lead's name. Okay, further I'll just let you know what is this $name. You have to go on the settings and then towards this contact custom fields. Over here you can learn more about this contact custom field which is $name. Without getting into technical details, I'll just let you know that if you want to know more about this, you can check out the video given in the description box below about the settings section, and you're going to find more about this contact custom fields. Till then, I'll just let you know that if you only want to keep this name as dynamic, you can use this $name as it is. Okay, now let's move on further. Next is delay for 2 days. I want to delay the next message for 2 days. So let me just copy this same, and what I'm just going to do is put this after this text plus button and connect it with this flow. Now I want to delay for 2 days, so I'm just going to enter 2 days. Now let me just enter the next message. For that, just start a line and drag and drop, select text plus button. Let me just simply enter the next message, which is this. So I'm just going to copy and paste this message. Once again, you're going to see this message also has $name. Now next I want to delay this for 4 days, so let me just do the same. Let me just copy it and connect it with the flow and delay it for next 4 days over here. Now let me just move on further, copy the next message, simply drag and drop, select it as text plus button and enter the message right over here. Now you can see over here I've successfully set it up this drip campaign. It was so easy, right? I'll just let you know that set the delay value in days. The maximum you can do is 30 days. Okay, next if you want more than 30 days, you can use delay until right over here. So as you can see, I've successfully set it up this test, and after this is set it up, what you can do is you can just simply click on this save flow button and it is saved now. Once the WhatsApp template is delivered, instantly the next drip campaign will start. It will be sending this message 1 day after, 2 days after and 4 days after. I have set it up only 3 messages. You can set n number of messages right over here just to not make your lead cold. So go and try this new feature of Pabbly Chatflow, which is drip campaign, because this can be very useful to communicate with your leads. And further, I'll just let you know that we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, so you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free and create this drip campaign for free. Then if you like Pabbly Chatflow, don't forget this amazing discount coupon code, which is going to get you the heaviest, or you can say the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly. You just have to apply this discount coupon code, which is RITYT over here. Click on this apply button and you're going to get the maximum amount of discount. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.